Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write party invitation card or party invitation letter for New Year's party. Dear friends, I am excited to invite you to a New Year's party at my home . As we welcome the coming year with joy, laughter and celebrations. Your presence will make the evening even more special . And I would love to begin the new year with the people who matter the most. After this, you need to mention the date. Of course, it should be 31st December. Then time. Here for example, I am writing 7:30 p.m. onwards. And then the venue. If you are organizing the party at your home, you will write your home's address. Otherwise, if you are organizing it in any kind of hall or somewhere else, you need to mention the address of the venue. We will enjoy music, games, delicious food, and a fun countdown to midnight. Please come dressed in your party best and bring along your festive spirit. Looking forward to celebrating together and creating wonderful memories. Let's say goodbye to the old year and greet the new one with happiness and excitement. Warm regards. Here, write your name